Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the color theme on your Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu for accessing all of Chrome's settings and features. Go ahead and click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can customize nearly every aspect of your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed vertically, such as privacy and security, autofill, and others. What you're looking for here is the Appearance section. Click on Appearance to access all the visual customization options Chrome offers. This is where you'll be able to control how your browser looks and feels, from themes to font sizes. Now, within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to personalizing your browser's color scheme and making it truly yours. Before you can start selecting custom colors, there's an important step you need to take first. You'll notice a toggle button for Follow Device Colors. This setting, when enabled, automatically matches your Chrome theme to your device's system colors. For our purpose of selecting a custom color, you need to turn this toggle off. Click on the toggle button to disable it. This action gives you full control over Chrome's color scheme, allowing you to choose any color you want instead of following your system defaults. With that toggle now turned off, you're free to customize. You'll see a selection of preset color options appear on the screen. These are quick theme choices you can apply with a single click. Browse through them and see if any of these predefined colors catch your eye. Each color option will change your browser's overall appearance, affecting elements like the toolbar, tabs, and address bar. But here's where it gets even better. If none of the preset colors match your personal preference, Chrome allows you to create your own custom color. Look for the eyedropper icon among the color options. Click on this eyedropper tool and you'll be able to select any custom color you can imagine. You can either click on colors from your screen or enter specific color codes if you have a particular shade in mind. This level of customization ensures your browser perfectly matches your style or even coordinates with your workspace aesthetic. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color theme on your Google Chrome browser, making it uniquely yours. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.